Okay, Jordan, so what, tell us again what it's like. What's it like being here?
It's quite an experience being in the center of one of the most powerful spiritual places on the earth. I believe that this Vatican behind me and this whole entire arrangement here at the Vatican just reeks of occult power, of worldly, secular, occult power. And it reminds me of something that the Bible has Jesus saying, that my kingdom is no part of this world. And so I believe that Jesus is a metaphor for spiritual light and enlightenment, because the scripture has Jesus saying, I am the truth and the light. So when it has Jesus saying, I am the truth and the light, I'm taking that to mean it's a metaphor. Jesus is a metaphor for truth and the light. And so the truth and the light actually says in Scripture that my kingdom is no part of this world. Meaning that real spiritual truth and spiritual light is no part of this world. So what I'm seeing here in the Vatican is a very powerful occult spiritual presence that you can cut with a knife. It's so thick here. It's very, very powerful, heavy feeling of occult power over the kings of the earth. As the scripture says, I sit a queen in Revelation. It says, I sit a queen, I shall never see mourning. Mother Church believes she will never see mourning because she has a kingdom over the kings of the earth. You can certainly feel that here. The Vatican is absolutely replete with the symbols of absolute totalitarian power. You can see it everywhere. This place represents, in my view, the center for occult political power, which has nothing whatsoever to do with the Bible, with Jesus, Christianity, nothing. It has to do with some kind of an all-encompassing power over the kings of the earth. And it's home here at the Vatican. The Vatican is a very powerful spiritual place. You notice I didn't say holy. I just said a very dark, powerful spiritual presence here at the Vatican, which you have to be here to appreciate how profound the feeling is of political power centered here. So therefore, it doesn't surprise me that kings and rulers and princes and industrialists and famous people all over the world from every country come here to pay homage to one of the most powerful figures on the earth in this world. Keeping in mind that Jesus said, my kingdom is no part of this world. But if you want to talk about the demonic, the profoundly dark, evil powers over the earth, well, here it is. We call it the Vatican.